Hi, my name is Brenda Hollingsworth and I'm a personal injury lawyer practicing at Auger Hollingsworth in Ottawa, Ontario, Canada. One thing that our clients often tell us is how intimidated they were before they came to our office because they didn't know what to expect at the initial client meeting. So I'd like to spend a minute to tell you what you should expect when you visit a lawyer's office for the first time. First and foremost, you want to be treated respectfully and warmly when you first come into the office. Do they call you by name, offer you a place to sit, is a good start, but certainly not all that matters. When you meet with the lawyer, you should get actual answers to questions that you have. If you've been injured, undoubtedly you have a number of questions that you'd like answers to right then and there in the meeting. Most lawyers are not going to be able to tell you at the very first meeting what your case is worth, if the other driver is going to be found responsible for the accident, or how long it'll take to resolve your case. But they should be able to answer other questions such as, in general, what benefits are available, what the range of damages is for certain types of injuries in Ontario, and other similar types of questions. If you aren't getting answers to those questions at your initial client meeting, you might consider whether or not the lawyer you're meeting with actually has enough expertise in personal injury law. What you would also want to get out of your initial client meeting is a plan of action. Can the lawyer tell you what steps he or she is going to take to bring your matter to a happy resolution, whether through settlement, which is the most common way, or through a trial? Is the lawyer comfortable doing a trial? Do they want to do a trial? What they foresee as the likelihood of there being a trial? Those are questions you're going to want to have answered as part of the description of the plan of action. You're going to also want to have a frank discussion up front about what the fee schedule is going to be. You shouldn't be left wondering about what kind of fee arrangement's going to be involved, whether or not you're going to be responsible for fees regardless of the outcome of the case, and apart from fees, what is the expectation for you to contribute to the expenses of the lawsuit? You should be able to ask those questions comfortably and get straightforward answers. Finally, it's very important that at the lawyer meeting you do not feel pressure to sign up now. This is not a salesperson hawking something at a carnival. It's a very important financial decision, probably one of the most important financial decisions that you'll make in your life. You do not want to feel pressure to sign an agreement right away. You may choose to do that, but you shouldn't do it because you're feeling forced to do it. I hope that answers some of your questions and that it can help you be informed when you go to that first meeting with a lawyer, when you're considering who you're going to hire as your personal injury representation. If we can help you at Auger Hollingsworth, please don't hesitate to send us an email at info@ottawalawfirm.ca or call us at 613-233-4529.